I would like to think that the more it's getting better because we do not stop working for the development and improvement of the university, so that by the time we'll be having a face-to-face classes, the university is ready. No? So as of the moment, all systems go for the face-to-face classes. If and when there will be an order coming from our authorities, if we will start having a face-to-face classes. Improvement and construction of additional facilities is ongoing, despite the fact that we are under a precarious times, no? Improvement or putting in place all the development intervention requires an additional financial resource. But this can only be realized if we have or sufficient financial resource coming from the national government. If not for our good congressman, Congressman Aurelio Don Gonzales, had it not been for his continuing assistance and support to the university, perhaps DHVSU, what you see now at DHVSU, may not be realized, no? But because of his untiring effort to continuously support and assist the operation of the university, nakikita nyo naman kung ano ang DHVSU ngayon. No? By September, this coming opening of academic year 2021-2022, we are now ready to offer the Juris Doctor pending issuance of a permit coming from the Legal Education Board. No? Then after that, the offering of nursing and other allied medical courses will follow. No? Yan ang naging resulta ng batas na pinapasa ni Congressman Don Gonzales dito sa DHVSU. I would also like to inform the public that there is a pending bill in Senate, no? Which had already been passed in Congress, is sponsored by Congressman Don Gonzales. The conversion of extension campuses into regular campuses of the university. Congressman Dong did not stop siguro na nag-iisip kung anong maitulong sa mga kabataan dito sa Pampanga. That's why perhaps he thought it best to have the satellite campuses be converted into regular campuses of the university, so as we could the more we could smash a huge amount of budget or money from the national government, no? Kasi as of the moment, the satellite campuses, we have established 6 satellite campuses in the different municipalities of Pampanga with no additional funding coming from the national government. And this is one of the dreams of our very good congressman, to bring the services of the university closer to them, including the geographically disadvantaged segments of the society, those people living in upland areas. No? They are all benefiting from all these efforts and everything of the university. And as I've been telling you, if it had it not been for the continuous effort, assistance extended to us by our congressman, including the governor and other local government officials, that so perhaps may not be what it is now.